Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vishvesh and today we're gonna be reviewing a heat shield. Probably not the kind of a heat shield that you guys are expecting, but this one is cool as well, so alright guys, the heat shield that we're talking about right now is basically this one. I got this online from a couple of days back from a brand called Legundary Custom Builds. I mean, I hope I'm getting the name correct because it's like legendary plus gun is equal to legendary. It's quite odd of a name, but anyways, the product we're talking about is actually a heat shield, and this thing is actually intended to be put or attached to the header pipe or the bend pipe of a motorcycle, and it actually prevents the massive amount of heat that is generated by the combustion engine to reach to the rider's legs or a nearby passer who maybe if you're standing at a traffic signal or you just park your motorcycle in a parking lot or at your place at your home and you have pets or you have kids who might touch the hot engine areas. And I mean, obviously this is meant for a Royal Enfield motorcycle, so those are like high displacement engines and they generate massive amount of heat, so having a heat shield definitely does make a difference. So that is what this thing is all about. And if we talk about the technical specifications, then if you look at this thing, it is actually matte black in color. You can go for the chrome one as well. I've gone for the matte black because of obvious reasons. I have a Signals edition Classic 350. Second thing is that this thing is made out of 304 grade stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rusting and all those stuff. So this is rust proof, it's anti-corrosive. And the second thing about this is that obviously if you go by the looks, then this thing is intended to make your bullet look more complete, I would say, because the perforations on this actually gives it the look of an outer casing of a carbine or a sniper rifle. So obviously this gives the whole gun effect to Royal Enfield, which has obviously the slogan of made like a gun goes like a bullet. As far as compatibility is concerned, this heat shield is compatible with Royal Enfield Classic, Royal Enfield Bullet Standard and Royal Enfield Thunderbird. Sorry, Himalayan and 650 twins are not supported, and if you have BS6 versions of any of the variants, then definitely it won't work, because this thing is supposed to go on the header pipe and the bend pipe. The bend pipe actually has a additional filter nowadays on the BS6 variant, so that won't work. So that is all that was in the technical specifications, and it was enough of talking. So let's get down to business and get this thing fitted on the Enfield, and then we'll talk further. Alright guys, like you just saw, it's neither a very easy job to do and neither it's very complicated. So if you have a mechanic nearby, if you're the lethargic one, so you can just approach him and he'll do it for you at a nominal cost. But if you're like me, who likes to get their hands dirty, then you can do it at your own disposal, at your own place. You just need a screwdriver. So if you talk about the pros and cons of this product, then definitely the pros, the biggest pros that this has, it is obviously it gives a distinctive look to your bike. It actually does the job well. It does reduce the heat that is emanating, it is radiating out of that bend pipe, so it does the job well. It is made out of 304 grade stainless steel, so it won't rust. And one more thing that I observed about is that the biggest, which I will say is a benefit, that it is unlike the wraps that we put on the bend pipe, this thing actually does not corrode the bend pipe or doesn't leave the watermarks on it. So that is a very big advantage. So if you compare heat shield with a conventional wrap, a heat wrap or an insulation wrap, then this is a great thing I would suggest. The only con that if I saw is that it is, you know, steeply priced. I mean, at around 1600 to 1700 rupees. It's an expensive product to go for. I've obviously put the link in the description below, so you can follow the link and buy it yourself if you want. But obviously, it's a bit expensive product. But you know, it's a new product in the market, so obviously there's a monopoly, so it's expensive. So compared to a heat wrap, it is expensive. But if you are the kind of a person who wants performance, who wants the looks, who wants to protect their bike, then definitely this product is for you. If it's otherwise, then you can consider something else. So guys, that was all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you did, then do make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. And as for following me on social media, you can follow me here, here and here. And that was all for today. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.